Based on resources from the internet, NearSys developed the environmental test chamber in this video. The vacuum pump was purchased from Harbor Freight and is a U.S. General 1.2 cubic foot per minute AC system vacuum pump. It required 3 items from Ace Hardware to adapt one of its vacuum ports to 1/4 inch fuel hose. The manifold connects 3 different chambers to the pump, along with a pressure gauge and a vent. The first chamber is a simple plastic belt jar. The next is made from stainless steel and can be chilled with dry ice. The chamber is drilled and then fitted with a barb, lock nut, and O-ring. The last chamber is 8 inches across and 12 inches deep. The large and small chambers sit inside of a styrofoam box that can be packed with dry ice. Inside the big chamber is a fragment of radioactive ceramic to simulate the increased cosmic ray flux in near space. In the ceiling of the big chamber is a bank of ultraviolet LEDs. Their wavelength is a little longer than I would like, and eventually they'll be replaced with LEDs deeper in the UV spectrum. Before beginning a test, the hopper is filled with dry ice and the stainless steel chamber is chilled. Next, the ultraviolet LEDs are turned on. The experiment will sit beneath them and against the radioactive china. Here are 2 balloon sets that have been loaded into the test chamber. It's easy to chill an experiment inside the closed chamber to -80 degrees. That's good enough to simulate near space. The vacuum pump can evacuate the big chamber in less than a minute. Now let's watch 3 demonstrations of the test chamber in operation. The first shows room temperature water boiling in a vacuum. That's because the air pressure around the water is less than its vapor pressure. In this one, we observe a sealed balloon expanding as the air is pumped out of the chamber. That's why a weather balloon is only this large at launch, and this large at 98,000 feet. Now a test of sound in a vacuum. Now let's open the valve and let the air back in. Without the pump running, background noise will be less of an issue. This is why the audio beacon is this loud at launch, and this quiet in near space.